To install the label roll, attach one of the magnetic roll guides. Also, attach the magnetic roll drag arm to the bottom of the label roll bar. Now place the label roll onto the arm as shown and secure it with the second roll guide. Ensure there is approximately 1 mm of space between the roll and the guides, so the roll can move freely. Position the roll drag arm in place. Pull out the pouch idler roller until it locks and flip up the pouch guides. You can now easily release the liner idler roller. Next, feed the label stock towards the front of the labeller. Pull out about 30 centimeters of label stock. Be sure to pull it straight outward as shown. You may now remove the first labels and apply them manually. Now, switch on the PL400e. Press the mode and minus buttons simultaneously to enter label assist mode. The liner and pouch rollers will start rotating at a lower speed. Feed the loose liner end through the black and silver rollers. Then press any button on the display to exit assist mode. Pull the liner until it reaches the rewinder. You may need to pull out additional label stock. Make sure to apply all exposed labels by hand to avoid waste. Ensure that a small portion of the label remains exposed. If necessary, adjust the sensor flag so it aligns with the center of the labels. Pull the liner tight and engage the liner clamp. Lower the pouch guides. Insert the pouch you wish to label and move the guides into the correct position. You can now switch the PL400e off. Press the release tabs to return the pouch idler roller to its clamped position. Adjust the label guides so they are almost touching the edges of the label stock. Now, let's set up the liner rewinder. Fold the leading edge of the liner. Hook the folded edge around the tab on both guides. Slightly rotate the guides to remove any remaining slack. Let's take a closer look at that again. Switch the PL400e on. Let's try labeling the first pouch. Simply place it between the guides and the PL400e will automatically start applying the label. The label is not positioned correctly. Press the mode button twice to access the LI label position setting. The minimum value is 0.75 inch. Press and hold plus or minus to adjust the position. Wait until the display returns to the label counter, then place the pouch again. Now it looks perfect. Extra tip, you can store different label positions for various pouch and label combinations in memory locations L1 to L9. Now have fun with your PL400e. Label your pouches as fast as you like. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to our channel and feel free to leave a like and comment to let us know what you think.